Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to plant green onions from the grocery store. Select healthy green onions from your market, making sure they have some roots still attached to the white base. Use a sharp knife to cut off the green tops, leaving about 1¼ inches of the white and root portion. Place these small root sections upright in a clear glass or jar, ensuring the roots are submerged in approximately 1/2 inch of water. Place your glass with the green onion bases on a sunny windowsill or another spot that gets at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight daily. It is crucial to change the water every 1 to 2 days to keep it fresh, preventing any unpleasant smells or mold from forming. Within just a few days, you will notice new green shoots emerging from the tops and fresh white roots developing from the bottom. This exciting growth signals it is almost time for the next step. When your green onion roots have grown to about 2 to 3 inches in length, they are ready for transplanting into soil. Select a small pot, perhaps 6 inches in diameter, ensuring it has adequate drainage holes at the bottom. Fill your chosen container with a good quality, well-draining potting mix. Plant each green onion base so that the very top of the white portion is just peeking out above the soil line, then gently firm the soil around it. Water your potted green onions consistently, aiming to keep the soil moist but never soggy, which can lead to root rot. Ensure they continue to receive at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, either indoors or outdoors, depending on your climate. When you are ready to harvest, simply snip the green tops about 1 inch above the soil line with scissors. Your green onions will readily regrow multiple times, providing you with a continuous fresh supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.